got a decent risk reward still here in this consolidation. It's got about 10 points. So really about it. I got a PCH here right at 731. This is set up pretty good at 34.82. If we could get a pullback into this PCH right here on Amazon, I'm going to watch Amazon right out the gate. But I think Tesla, we could get to that 40, get a pullback into this here, pre-market highs, 35.25. I had a couple of fishing orders out. I didn't get filled there, so I'm just going to be patient. See if I can get one more. Got that fishing order fill on Tesla. All I'm doing here is I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. See if I can get a pullback into the PCH here. That was a nice dip right there, and I had an order sitting out and missed it by, I don't know, 50 cents. On one of them on Tesla, I missed by like 10 cents. But I did get filled on Tesla on that second dip, and now it's, under my average a little bit, but still is a nice fill. So I'm watching this for entry. We're sitting on VPOC. We're sitting on the 95 on the 5-minute 9. So we're putting some risk on here, put my stop in place. And then so we can get back up into 37 to 40 area up in here again. I'm going to look to take some profits. Oh yeah, I took some profits there. Nice. Got about $6 or so out of those. Nice payday. Paying myself. Stop in place here on the rest. Break even. No matter what, it's a nice payday. Tesla's didn't quite get to my profit target there, so I'm going to watch it a little closer now. And then after that, I'd like to just hold on to. I'm going to pay myself a little bit more there, and then I'm going to hang on to. Nice, man. So I just got paid on Tesla too, finally, and I'm going to stop flat on the rest. So paid myself some more there in the 40. Two nice paydays now on Tesla and Amazon, both, man. 20 minutes in, and I don't have to do anything else the rest of the day. I almost top tick that Tesla sell.